The Nigerian government has recently approved an $816 million loan to acquire 6 Italian M346 fighter jets. This decision comes amid escalating banditry in the northern regions, where security challenges have reached alarming levels. The M346, known for its advanced training capabilities and versatility, is expected to bolster the Nigerian Air Force's operational readiness. However, this military investment raises critical questions about prioritizing defense spending in a country grappling with an economy at an all-time low. As military and defense analysts, we must consider the implications of this procurement. Will these jets effectively combat the rising tide of insecurity, or will they divert essential resources from pressing economic needs? The balance between national security and economic stability is more crucial than ever in Nigeria's current landscape.